What's up, everybody? I go with buys right here. This is the first trade of the day, and today I'm gonna take a couple of trades as always. And here I'm just gonna go with the trend because we have this pattern here. We try to retrace and then we close up there without any sort of rejection. So this is super bullish for me, and I'm gonna go with the buys right here until the next seller's entry is up there. So here we have started a trend. And you see we broke this trend line, we pulled back to this area right here, and then we just keep going up. All right, so the next seller's entry is going to be here, and I'm just going to keep going with the buyers if I have any reasons. Okay, so yeah, there's still a gap to the level. The closest level is this round number. So is this safe to just go with this? Not if close on this one, but since this is a long candle and in the trends, it's better to just not look at, okay, it's closed right on this round number. I'm not going to follow that because in the trends, it's just better to not take your trade after long candles. Okay. But I will count on this. What? I will count on this seller's entry right here. Okay. Let me just add this up there. Let's see. Okay. Okay, look at this one. We have a major kind of, this is kind of going up, but this is a ranging market. So if I go, okay, look at the past, we have same situation and we have this engulf retracement work. Engulf retracement, let's see where this is going to close. If this is going to close down here, I'm going to go with the sellers because the sellers are pretty strong. But if they're going to reject, let me see. 3, 2, 1, I go with the buys right here. Okay, the first trade is closed. This one was a winning trade. Okay, again, bro, this is crazy. I really want to go with the buys, but I'm not gonna go because we just broke it. Round number, we created this demand area. We might get rejected from this area. And basically, on whatever breakout we have, there should be a demand area. Okay, demand area means the power. For example, here, this demand area is the power for breaking this area. And this candle is going to close. If this candle is going to close down here, it means that the buyers will again enter. But this is a very strong momentum. Very, very strong. When you see no gap between the candles, it means that they are super strong. Let me see. This right here. It seems that they're going to lose this one. Yes. I thought we might have a red-green pattern, and I basically didn't follow my plan on this trade. I was about like that. I go double trade with the sellers here because the sellers are super strong. I'm not expecting buyers to enter. All right, so major downtrend, and the trend line. We have so many trend lines, and this is the rejection point. You see that the market is just rejecting from this area, no problem. Sometimes you're gonna have a losing trade because you're like, for example, here you're thinking that we might have another green one because the previous time this right here has worked. But the thing is, this retracement right here closed on this round number, which means it's seller's entry, the sellers entered. But in this case, we didn't even close on this one. Like if we were closing here, probably the buyers would enter, but you know, this is a sign of seller's strength. And it's always good to follow. Like this is a B, C minor downtrend, and if you look at the higher trend, this is also major downtrend. So it's better to follow the trend. Okay, that was a winning trade. Yeah, you see, you don't have to go with the buyers after this, okay? Because you might have this candle. So that's why I'm telling you that entering somewhere here, like and at the 5th candle, is going to be risky. In every single trend, don't like go with the trend at the 5th candle. If we have consecutive same color, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the 5th one, but this is a trend. Okay, basically 5th ones, most of the time they will give you a retracement. That's why. So crazy. Let me see. Oh, we have an extreme level down here. Let me see, but this is because there's a doji, there's a gap. Okay, come down, please. Let's go. I go with buyers right here. You got this. Oh my god, it closed on this. My bad. Yeah, my bad. No problem. I will secure this trade. No problem. But we also have the chance to win this. I mean, I have to secure this trade down here if it comes. Come on, man. A little more. Let's go. I go double trade here just to secure this one because I made a mistake here. I made a mistake because this hammer right here closed but like below this round number. Basically, this is a pattern and the sellers would enter. Okay, so if I'm not able to secure this one, we're gonna lose 3 trades. That's gonna be scary. Okay, but I believe they should reject because this is an extreme level. There we go. Okay. By the way, this might sound interesting to secure the trades, but you have to be very, very sure about where you enter for the security trade. For example, here we have buyer's entry, and again, you're going to expect another buyer's entry. If you connect them based on this trend coming down, you're going to have the trend support, and then you're going to have this extreme level. You know, extreme levels are super strong, especially we have this doji. Dojis are crazy candles. Okay, there's a lot of rules for them. Like when we are entering a doji range, there's a high probability of bouncing back because there's so many demand areas on this one. So we have this extreme level here. We got rejection. My entry was down here, right? And then we got this support, and the buyers probably will enter after this. So my securing trade was pretty good, but you don't have to try secure all your losing trades. You only try to secure them if there's any chance. Okay, otherwise you're gonna just keep losing more trades. Okay, here we have this right here, and we broke this. And let me see what this candle is gonna be. If this is a small and continuation candle, I probably take this as a sell, but we will see. Let me see. I don't like this being too big. Like I want something like this. I want something like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, I missed this one. Oh my god, please go up. Oh my goodness, I missed this one, but I'm gonna enter with 50 because my good entry would be here. Like if it goes up a little more, I'd probably enter one more. Let me see. Okay, so this is gonna be my second entry, but my first entry is so bad. And anyways, okay. All right, we have this level here. It's a good one. Okay, look at this doji. How beautiful is this sell trade right here? Look at this one. Oh my god, this support area became resistance, and then we broke this doji. This is a long candle sign of reversing. We could take this one easily. Like, let's see. No. Yeah. So yeah, my second entry is gonna be exactly right here, and this is basically 100, like one trade. And yeah. Since this is a major downtrend, and also we have same behavior before, I thought they might keep going, but we also can have this one right here. Look at this one. Look at this. We have this, and then the bars go crazy right here. Just like this one, bar is going crazy, and then they drop. Okay, probably some liquidity stuff up there. They want to take that and then drop. No problem if we lose this. If we cross, like if we go up, I probably take 1 5-minute trade on this one. Okay, we keep going down. Let's see what this trade's gonna do. Okay, the first trade has been closed. Like, look at this one. If my entry was correct entry, like, I would have won this trade as well. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so the entry is super important. You see that they try to do the same thing, like here. Look at this. They tried to go up and then drop. Okay, but they were not successful, and they just came somewhere here and then drop. Okay, so that's cool. And I always say, if you're like a kind of beginner, not super beginner, but if you're like have a lot lower experience, it's better to master the market direction and price action first, and then you're gonna go for 1-minute trades. Okay, this way you can understand. I mean, you can take better trades when you're trying to take 1-minute trades. All right. Okay, I think that's enough for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and peace out.